Good Monday afternoon, everyone, and welcome back. A warm day compared to the last couple of weeks across the valley. We're at 84 degrees here in Fargo, 82 in Moorhead with gusty winds. Right now in Fargo at Hector, winds are sustained around 21 miles per hour, gusting to 35 miles per hour. And in Grand Forks, more clouds have moved in, currently overcast, but still 82 degrees with winds out of the south sustained at 22 miles per hour, gusting to 32. We've got several areas that have warmed into the 80s today, particularly through the Central Valley and across parts of eastern North Dakota. A little cooler east, 74 in Bemidji, 75 Detroit Lakes, and in Wadena as well. A few more clouds starting to move in, and this is going to play a big role in the northern lights later. We'll talk about that here in a second, but check out these wind gusts, mostly out of the south or southeast. The strongest gusts are here in Fargo at 35 miles per hour. We're gusting to 30 in Alexandria, 24 Detroit Lakes, 25 in Thief River Falls. Now for the rest of this evening, the stronger winds are going to subside a bit, but we're going to remain breezy. As for the cloud cover, the clouds that are currently pushing into central North Dakota are going to cross east through northwestern Minnesota and still linger in parts of the southern valley. So by the time the northern lights are getting going around 10 o'clock, there will be some areas of clear sky, but additional clouds are going to move in through the overnight hours. Temperatures by tomorrow morning generally in the 50s, and tomorrow's going to be another warm day. In fact, a couple of degrees warmer than we are this afternoon, with mostly sunny skies and most areas hitting at least the 80-degree mark, and we stay clear. As for the northern lights, here's that projection of where to see them. So a little bit further south than the last couple of viewings, and a few tips for this evening. Again, make sure you want to get away from city lights and look low along the northern horizon as always. The KP index, the strength, it's going to be a 6 out of 9, so a pretty good chance to see them. The last couple events in the last week or so have been at about a 4 or a 5 for a reference there. But again, some clouds, so be sure to check the Valley News Live weather app. You can see satellite right there for maybe where you need to go to avoid the clouds. Here was a photo sent in a few weeks ago. If you want to send in your photo, you can do it right from your Valley News Live weather app, a submit button, and then add media. We have very talented photographers around the valley, so we would love to see your photos. Now, through the next week or so after tomorrow, we're turning much more unsettled with several chances for rain. Here is the rainfall potential from tomorrow through next Tuesday, though the rain likelihood is from Wednesday night through about Sunday. Now the deeper red colors here, that correlates with around 2.5 to 3 inches of rain, more likely out to the south and to the west. But many areas in the valley, these purple shadings, good chance of around 1.5 inches to 2 inches of rainfall. So plentiful moisture is on the way. Let's tie this all together here in your planning forecast. Rain begins late on Wednesday, scattered storms on Thursday, scattered rain and storms on Friday, and then showers for the weekend, cooler temperatures for the first day of fall. A few showers still possible on Monday, and that looks to wrap up the unsettled pattern with temperatures remaining in the 70s.
Temperatures will be comfortable. We just got to get around all the rain and such.
Absolutely, yeah.
All right.